Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks for when you're sick. I started to feel sick a few days ago, so one of the first things you can do is take a nice hot shower. Not only does this help you feel clean and refreshed, but it also helps with loosening up your sinuses because of the hot steam. I recently got hair extensions, so I'm having to put my hair up when I shower and not wash it as often so that I don't dry out the extensions. And as always, I recommend taking your shower time as a little therapy time with the Mindset Mentor podcast. Every time I shower, I always listen to this. If you want to elevate the steam in your shower for your sinuses, I recommend the eucalyptus shower steamers from Walmart. You can also find stuff like this on Amazon as well, but shower steamers are really amazing for when you're sick. I try to do a nose strip at least once a week for blackheads on my nose with my skincare routine. That has nothing to do with me being sick, but I always recommend keeping up with your usual skincare habits. My mom got me this really sassy tissue box cover for Christmas, so I am using that today. And heading straight into my next tip, which is some hot tea. I am personally doing some green tea, but you can do any type of tea you want. Honestly, any hot beverage is good on your throat. I recently got this Bridgerton tea steeper from Walmart, and I just thought it was really appropriate because I'm about to sit back and relax and watch one of my favorite shows right now, which is Bridgerton. And now the third tip, we are going to sit back and relax and just let our body heal, because that is one of the most important parts that people get wrong when you're sick. You need to stay at home and relax. My fourth tip is to use vapor rub, and you can also combine that with steam if you like. Vapor rub is really good at opening your sinuses, and it just honestly feels and smells really good when you're sick. I have a face steamer that I'm using right now just to help open my sinuses and make me feel a little better and less congested. You can also use a pot with boiling water and just go ahead and put the vapor rub in the pot and inhale it like that. And you can also, to amplify it, put a towel over your head so you're really absorbing it. And tip number 5, don't forget to use your DayQuil and NyQuil. Tip number 6, you can take a greens supplement. I have Gruns right now, which is kind of something similar to AG1. It helps with gut health, energy, immunity, recovery, beauty, and cognition. And tip number 7, this is my biggest tip because I didn't discover this until the very end, but these Afrin sprays actually work so amazing. I used it and within 5 minutes I could breathe fully through my nose and it lasts so long. I honestly don't even really feel that sick anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you found these tips helpful, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.